Hi, this is Katie from my Space Creative Studio. Today I will show you how to transform boring product photo into stunning composite image. One photo worth thousands of words. That is why creating outstanding and eye-catching product image is very important for every brand in increasing its popularity. For start, add product photography. Keep eye on the right white balance on the photo. If you feel that white areas on the photo have yellowish or bluish tint, use camera raw filter to fix it. Choose white balance tool and click on the areas that in your opinion have to be white. When results satisfy your eye, click OK. The next step is extract the product from the background. The best method for this process we have learned when created white background for the product shot. By choosing a pen tool and create a path around the product, we keep high attention to all details. When path is created, click with the right button and choose Make Selection. Applying the mask will hide the background. To make the product more bright and catchy, use Curves layer. This layer allows to adjust highlights, midtones, and shadows. By dragging the curve, the product becomes more catchy, bright, and contrasted. When you reach the best result, create a group to keep all product layers organized. Now let the magic happen. In our opinion, the best characteristic for the cosmetic shampoo will be the liquid inside the bottle. With Quick Selection tool, click on the Select Subject button. This method allows to make a quick selection of easy objects. Applying the mask, hide the background. To make the product appear in front, drag the product group on the top of all layers. After a few adjustments in size and position of elements, we create a composite that will be the base for the future product image. In our option, the idea for the photo, the splash that surrounds the shampoo bottle. That is why some of splashes need to be covered the bottle and create the vision of the bottle inside the splash. To make further changes with product layers and do not destroy all previous masks, we apply the new mask on the group. Now, with the help of the brush tool and black main color, we erase the product in the places where it has to be covered with splashes. The final touch will be the shadow from the product on the splashes. Create a new layer attached to the splashes layer. Change the blend mode from normal to soft light. With help of the brush tool and black main color, paint the shadow behind the product. After a few adjustments and new color background, we get an attractive and eye-catching composite product image that will stop scrolling and spark interest from everyone who visits the website or social media page. Leave your thumbs up if that was useful and subscribe to always get fresh tips from my Space Creative Studio.